Thank you so much everyone for making this song and enjoying. I hope you all enjoyed all the songs.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you, Shanti Garu, for giving us this opportunity. And I love Sai facility. We are excited and we are very blessed to be performing here today. Thank you.
Thank you to the teacher and thank you to all your students and to the Ragalaya school for making this happen. And I want to tell you all, you are the first group of the kids that sang the Sai song, the song that you all sang in the last. This is the first group that sang a full Sai song for us. So thank you so much. Please come again and again and please continue to perform for us. Thank you.